wasn't given a brief for this talk, and I could have talked about clinical innovation or technology, but I'm going to talk more generally about what's happening to general practice. My background, I suppose, is that I've worked in a number of practices, two of them with the old-fashioned partnership model, and the others attached to university departments with rather different structures. And I've got some evidence-based and some non-evidence-based ideas of what is worth preserving, I think, about group practice working. I'm not going to talk about academic general practice very much, but I think it's worth just reminding ourselves that there is quite a substantial slice of research activity taking place in general practice across the country. Every department of general practice now has a professor or two. A department of general practice, I think there's 8 professors in Oxford. There's a National School of Primary Care Research, which is generously funded by the NIHR, the NHS R&D organisation, and quite a lot of the work that our previous speaker referred to on anticoagulation or work related to that has been conducted in primary care.